Hey everyone, welcome back. There's something on every Android phone that you use all the time, but there's a good chance you've never checked what it's doing in the background. I'm talking about the Google Play Store. People open it, download apps, update apps, and close it. But inside it, there are settings that control app personalization, app updates, security scanning, data collection, and even how much temporary storage the Play Store is using. And here's why this becomes interesting. Some of these settings are useful. Some you may want to leave exactly as they are. And some are worth changing if you want more control over your phone's privacy. So today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the Play Store from top to bottom. Let's start with the one that most people never touch. Open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile picture. Scroll to Settings. Open General. Here, look for App Install Optimization. If this is enabled, Google can use your app usage data to help optimize future app installations. The idea is very simple. The Play Store tries to understand which parts of apps are useful to you so downloads can be optimized. For some people, that's perfectly fine. But if you don't want your data to be shared for this type of personalization, you can turn it off. And remember, this doesn't mean that this setting is secretly destroying your phone. That's not the point. The point is knowing what these settings actually do. Now let's check another setting. While in the same page, look for the option Device Location. This allows the Play Store to use your device location for things like personalized recommendations and offers. Personally, I don't allow Play Store to use my location for recommendations, so if you feel the same, turn that off. Let's jump to the next setting, which is more privacy-related setting. Go back, tap your profile picture again. Look for Play Protect. This is Google's built-in security system for Android apps, and this is important. Now tap the gear icon at top right. You'll see two options called Scan Apps with Play Protect and Improve Harmful App Detection. Keep the first one enabled because it scans apps for potentially harmful behavior and warns you if it detects something dangerous and is crucial for your privacy. But the other option, Improve Harmful App Detection, this setting is different. When it's enabled, Google can collect additional information from apps that Play Protect identifies as potentially harmful to improve detection. If you don't want sharing additional information with Google to improve harmful apps, turn that off. Now let's move to something that can actually affect your storage. Close the Play Store, go to your home screen, press and hold the Play Store icon. Tap App Info. Go into Storage. Now look at how much space the Play Store is using, and this can sometimes be surprisingly high. But before you start thinking, why does a store app need this much space, look at the cache. Cache is temporary data that apps store to make certain things load faster, but over time, that cache can grow. So if you're running low on storage or the Play Store is acting strangely, tap Clear Cache. Remember, don't confuse this with Clear Data. Clear Data is much more aggressive. If you clear it, you can log out of Play Store, it resets the Play Store, and removes saved settings. Only stick to Clear Cache. Now, let's go back inside the Play Store. Tap your profile picture again. Go to Settings. Open Network Preferences. Here you'll find Auto Update Apps. By default, this may be set to automatically update apps over Wi-Fi. And honestly, automatic updates are not bad. They keep your apps updated because updates can fix security and bug fixes. But if you want more control over when downloads happen, you can choose Don't Auto Update Apps. Just remember that you'll need to update apps manually. Personally, I keep mine on Don't Auto Update, but it's definitely a setting worth knowing about. Next, tap Autoplay Videos and set it to Don't Autoplay Videos, because when it's set to autoplay, the Play Store automatically plays videos in the background and consuming your mobile data. Now, here's one of my favorite things to check. Go back to your profile picture, open Manage Apps and Device, then tap Manage. At the top, tap the filter that says This Device. And now select Not Installed. And now look this. This is where you might see something surprising. You'll see a list of apps that you've previously installed but removed. Some might be from last month, some might be from years ago. And you might even find an app and think, wait, I used to have it? But don't panic. Seeing an app here doesn't mean it's secretly installed on your phone. These are simply apps associated with your previous Google Play activity. You can go through the list and clean it up if there are apps you know you'll never install again. But remember, this isn't something that magically frees up storage. These apps aren't installed. You can simply clean up the list and make your Play Store history easier to manage. And that's really the bigger lesson here. The Google Play Store isn't just a place where you download apps. It has personalization settings, it has security settings, it manages app updates, it stores temporary data, and it keeps track of apps you've previously installed. And I'm not telling you to turn everything off. The goal is simply to know what these settings are doing. So before you blame your phone for being slow, take a few minutes and check your Play Store settings. If you really found this helpful, subscribe for more privacy and security tips. Thanks for watching.